At Aero Jet Wash, we are leading the technology well into the future to serve our customers and industry better. Our latest aircraft and aircraft engine wash equipment control panel design allows the operator to adjust the heating tank desired temperature settings at the touch of a button. Then the heated tanks will keep a constant temperature. Our equipment is economical, compact, mobile, easy to use, and 100% environmentally friendly, and can also be used inside of a hangar or at different locations wherever they may be. We can provide training and equipment to airlines, MRO, maintenance, and engineer crews on site, or hire one of our trained professionals to do the cleaning for you. Aero Jet Wash, promoting a green environment. For more information, please call us at 866-381-7955 or visit us online at aerojetwash.com or gititechgroup.com.